like a tour of this one-bedroom villa? Let's go. All right, this is my one-bedroom villa tour here at Disney's Bay Lake Couple. Now, if you've never stayed at a one-bedroom villa, especially as being a DVC member or whatever, doesn't matter. You can still stay here if you want. Most all one-bedroom villas are gonna be the same, for the most part. So if you don't know this, one-bedroom villas, they all have one bathroom, the second bathroom. Most all one-bedroom villas have two bathrooms. And not only does this one have a walk-in shower with a rainforest-like shower head, they also have these really nice whirlpool tubs. And check this out. Connection with the bedroom. They also always have an excellent selection of H2O products. There's not only just one set, there's actually two sets. So you get one in this bathroom, and there's another one in the other bathroom.
And one right there.
And there's actually one in the shower. So we've got plenty. It's a one bedroom, so there's only one bedroom. But there's not just one bed, but there is this bed. Spreadability, comfort level, it's probably a 5 out of 5. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Now sometimes you might get really lucky. We booked a one-bedroom villa with a lake view, which means you're just gonna get some type of view of the lake. It could be extremely obstructed, it could be nothing but the lake, but we actually got a partial view of Magic Kingdom. So what's really nice is that even though we have a really great package tonight to eat and drink and see the fireworks, if we didn't want to do that, we knew what this room was gonna be like, we can actually stand right here and watch the fireworks right over there. Look, there goes the monorail. Not a bad view in my opinion. Alright, so remember I said it's only a one bedroom, but it's not only one bed. Let me show you. Personal bed. Bed number 3. Oh, definitely not as comfortable as the first bed. All right, so now if you're a family, you have some kids, because you're a family, and you're looking for some way to maybe not eat out every night, one-bedroom villas are really great because it not only comes with like a washer and dryer, 2 bathrooms, 2 tubs, a shower, all these beds that you can sleep in, but it also comes with a kitchen. That means a stove, a microwave, an actual real-size fridge, has a dishwasher. You barely even have to worry about actually doing dishes. It's actually really, really convenient and very nice. So you can actually go to the store, order groceries, do whatever, but it's pretty convenient and really nice. Did we miss anything? One bedroom, villa, resort room tour thing at 7610 is complete.